This is the 165mm Plunge saw by Excel. It is designed to carry jobs like rabbiting, chamfering, also pitting into wood or plastic. With its powerful motor of 1200 watts, it generates 5200 RPMs. Absolute class machine. With an amazing 165 by 20mm 24 teeth blade, this plunge saw can do up to 55mm at 90-degree straight cuts and up to 42mm at 45-degree bevel angle. So whether it's OSB or plywood, the machine can tackle it all. The 45-degree bevel cut was so smooth you couldn't even tell it was cut. It is supplied with two 700mm guide rails which are supplied for straight cuts and for full accuracy. So join them together by the supplied connector, simply like this, then screw the bolts by the given hex key. The rubber lip on the guide rail acts as a splinter guard. It prevents fraying of the surface while sawing wooden materials. It even comes with two guide rail clamps in order when you're cutting it will keep the guide rail in place and locked. So to remove or change the blade, super easy. Pull this all the way down, the lever locked in like that keeps the machine locked. Then this button simply down here, hold it, keeps the blade tight. Then you can unlock the blade yourself like this. You can adjust the desired depth of cut through this lever here to cut all the way down, set the angle at 50 degrees. Also guys, the plunge saw is compatible with a dust extractor to keep your workspace nice and tidy. This is now available at toolstotrade.co.uk and subscribe on our channel.